Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Игрушечный солдатик. Страница 34, 35, 36. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. The toy soldier. Page number 34, 35, 36. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 34. 34. The toy soldier. Repeat after me. And now it is the end of the day. Time for the toys to come out and play. Hello, I am Ted. I am a teddy bear. Look, my friends are over there. That's Dolly the doll and Jack in his box. And Pip the puppet. One of the Williams socks. My dear friends, repeat once more, please. And now it is the end of each day. Time for the toys to come out and play. Hello, I'm Ted. I'm a teddy bear. Look, my friends are over there. That's Dolly the doll and Jack in his box and Pip the puppet, one of William's socks. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 35, 35. Repeat after me. I am Sam, the toy soldier. How do you do? It's very nice to meet all of you. And my name's Bella. Hello, everyone. I like it here. It's lots of fun. Repeat once more. I am Sam, the toy soldier. How do you do? It's very nice to meet all of you. And my name's Bella. Hello, everyone. I like it here. It's lots of fun. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 36, 36. Exercise number 1. Look, read and match. Подберите игрушкам имена. Bella, Ted, Sam, Dolly, Pip. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Copy and complete. Перепишите и заполните пробелы. I'm Sam, the toy soldier. How do you do? And my name is Bella. Hello, everyone. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Closer, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Closer, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Closer, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Closer, goodbye.